Hey guys, how are you doing? Well, I need your help if you're willing to help me. I need some video testimonials for my lessons and my website. Even if you're not an active paying member or if you've never had membership to webpianoteacher.com, if you just follow my lessons and are using them, I'd love to get a video testimonial from you. And if you'll do that for me, I'm going to give you a free sheet of any song lesson on the website, for you. One per person, please, if you don't mind. Well, in the video description of this, you'll see 6 questions. You just need to get your phone and put it in landscape mode, not portrait. It's got to be landscape. And then answer the 6 questions. It'll take like 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. Just answer the questions. Send me the video to easypianolessons@yahoo.com. Again, all of this is in the description. Just make that video for me. Send it to me in an email. Then ask me which sheet you want, and I'll send that for you. But I need these for the website. They're going to really help my search engine optimization, and just reviews are supposed to be the big thing these days to help your website. So if you guys could do that for me, I would really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later.